The kitchen can be a chaotic place, especially when you're trying to prepare a variety of dishes for your family. From boiling rice to sautéing veggies and everything in between, it's easy to end up with a counter full of appliances. This Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker, the ultimate all-in-one solution that promises to streamline your cooking process and bring efficiency to your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, this versatile 6-quart electric pot with 14 preset functions will quickly become your go-to appliance for preparing meals with ease. Key features of the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker. Number 1. 14 pre-programmed smart settings. The Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker boasts an impressive 14 preset smart programs designed to cater to a wide variety of meals. This cooker truly does it all. With a touch of a button, you can easily prepare. These options simplify meal prep, especially when you're pressed for time but still want a delicious, home-cooked meal. The LCD control panel features 4 helpful icons: delay start, preheating, pressurized, and keep warm, to make the cooking process even more convenient. With 14 pre-programmed settings, your favorite meals are ready with just one touch. Number 2. 9 appliances in one. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple devices when you can do it all with one? The Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker replaces 9 common kitchen appliances with just one. It combines the functionalities of. This 9-in-1 feature is perfect for anyone who wants a space-saving, multifunctional appliance that can handle all aspects of meal preparation. Whether you're making a quick dinner for the family or prepping for a big celebration, this electric pot is versatile enough to handle any culinary challenge you throw at it. Number 3. Healthy and durable design. The Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker is built with high-quality materials that are safe and durable. The stainless steel exterior offers long-lasting durability, while the aluminum-coated non-stick inner pot ensures your food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. The best part? No chemical coatings, meaning you're cooking in a safer environment for your family. All components that come into contact with food are made from BPA-free materials, providing you with peace of mind while cooking. Number 4. 11 built-in safety features. Safety is always a concern when dealing with high-pressure cooking, but the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker has you covered. These features ensure that your cooking experience is as safe as it is efficient. The pressure cooker won't operate if the lid isn't securely locked, and the overheat protection prevents any potential mishaps. With these built-in safety features, cooking becomes both stress-free and secure. Number 5. Easy to clean. Cleaning after cooking is often one of the most dreaded tasks, but the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker makes it much simpler. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior is easy to wipe down, and both the lid and inner cooking pot are dishwasher safe. Whether you prefer hand washing or using the dishwasher, cleaning up after cooking is quick and hassle-free. Number 6. Efficient cooking in half the time. One of the standout features of the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker is its ability to cook meals in less than half the time compared to traditional methods. The pressure cooking function allows you to quickly prepare hearty meals like stews, soups, and meats without compromising on flavor or texture. Whether you're cooking for one or a crowd, this cooker helps you save time in the kitchen while still delivering mouth-watering dishes. Number 7. Stylish and practical design. Not only is this pressure cooker functional, but its sleek design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. The stainless steel exterior complements any kitchen decor, while the large LCD display makes it easy to navigate through settings and monitor your meal progress. Number 8. Excellent customer support and warranty. When you invest in a product like the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker, you want to know you're covered. That's why it's reassuring to know that this cooker comes with a 1-year warranty. Plus, their customer support team is always ready to assist with any questions or issues, making sure your experience is as smooth as possible. Why choose the Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker? The Moss & Stone electric pressure cooker is a multifunctional marvel that combines convenience, health-conscious cooking, and safety features all in one. Whether you're trying to streamline your cooking process, save time, or make healthier meals, this electric pressure cooker is a must-have tool for anyone who enjoys home-cooked meals but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.